Welcome, and thank you for being here. If you find value in these reflections, consider subscribing and leaving a like. It helps this channel grow and reach others on their path of awakening. Once, beside a quiet river in the mountains, a monk sat meditating at sunrise. The water shimmered with golden light, and the world seemed perfectly still. As he opened his eyes, he noticed a scorpion struggling in the water, its claws flailing helplessly against the current. Without hesitation, the monk reached down and lifted the scorpion to safety. But as he placed it on the bank, it stung him sharply on the hand. Pain flashed through his body. The scorpion, startled, fell back into the river. Again, the monk reached down, lifted it carefully, and again, it stung him. A passerby who had been watching the scene shouted, "Why do you keep saving that creature? Can't you see it only hurts you?" The monk looked at him calmly and said, "Because it is the scorpion's nature to sting, and it is my nature to help." The man frowned. "But why act with compassion toward one who harms you?" The monk smiled gently. "Because if I choose to let another's nature change mine, I would lose who I am." He then took a leaf from the riverbank, used it to lift the scorpion a third time, and placed it safely on a rock under the sun to dry. The scorpion crawled away, and the monk returned to his meditation, his face serene, his heart untouched by anger. This story reminds us that compassion is not weakness. It is strength. To be kind in a kind world is easy, but to be kind when life stings you, that is true wisdom. Compassion doesn't mean allowing others to harm us endlessly. It means responding with understanding rather than hatred. Like the monk, we can learn to act from our own inner truth, not from the behavior of others. Each moment we choose love over bitterness, patience over reaction, and empathy over judgment. We are practicing the highest form of spiritual discipline. So ask yourself, when life stings you, will you let it harden your heart or deepen your compassion?